Hello, welcome to our official channel MITM Bhubaneswar. Today's topic is error in data communication. In communication, error can create many confusion, many problems. If something is changed, then it may be meaning is changed, it may create a problem. For example, question is Paradip is what? Answer is पारादीप एक बंदर है। बंदर से थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, पारादीप एक बांदर है। तो यहाँ पे पूरा मीनिंग चेंज हो गया, थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ तो पूरा मीनिंग चेंज हो गया। लेट कंटिन्यू द टॉपिक। Data can be corrupted during the transmission because generally the transmission mediums are noisy transmission. Noiseless is very rare. In an average, the communication medium is noisy. So, there is the possibility of error in the transmission medium. Some application requires that error to be detected and corrected, because if there is an error, it may create a problem. So, error to be detected and corrected. Error is of two types in communication. One is single bit error. Only one bit in the data unit has changed. Let's see one example. This one is the data sent from the sender side. At the receiver side, this one is received. Only one bit has been changed. So what will be the output? Output is input is 2. At the receiver side, due to single bit error, resultant output is 10. It's a huge difference. How? This is 2 and this is 10. I hope you people are able to do it. Some people unable to do it because how to convert the decimal to binary, binary to decimal. All these are the first year course, and this networking generally present in the second or third year. We are unable to recall. So let's do a recall. How it is converted binary into decimal. This is the formula. This is the binary. Starting from this one, 0 into 2 to the power 0. Second bit into 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, so on up to 2 to the power 7 for the 8th bit. And the result is, as all these are 0, something into 0, 0. This one 2 to the power 1 into 1, result is 2. Using the same formula, the resultant, the error output result is 10. This is the way to convert binary to decimal. I hope everybody knows this one. So it is a huge change where the sender sends 2. Due to a single bit error, the resultant output is 10. This is known as the single bit error. Then go for the next one. Next one is the burst error. Means that 2 or more bits in the data unit have changed. See this example. One bit pattern sent. You can find out these are the marking places. This in the center side it is 0. Receiver received 1. 0 received 1. 0 received 1. 0 received 1. So receiver received one error message in few bits, that is more than 1. So it's known as the burst error. Let's check what are the input, what is the output of the sender sends. If we consider the whole bit pattern, it is 17475. If we consider from the starting error bit to the ending error bit, this 8 bit, it's a 8 bit. In this case, its value is 34 in decimal format. in the receiver side, output is for the whole bit pattern, it is 23907. For this 8 bit, the output is 235. It is nearly 1 in value, decimal value 199 difference. So it's a huge error, more than 1. So it is known as the burst error. As you know how to convert the binary into decimal, we have discussed earlier. You can check the values whether these are correct or not. If anything error during my calculation, please inform me whether there is a error. The single bit error occurrence is less as compared to multi-bit, because the duration of noise is normally longer than the duration of one bit, which means that when noise affects data, it affects a set of bits. The number of bits affected depend on the data rate and duration of noise. For example, if sender sending data at 1 kbps, a noise of 1 by 100 second can affect 10 bits. If sender sending data at 1 mbps, the same noise can affect 10,000 bits. Error detection and correction, there are various techniques are available. We will not discuss about this error correction detection here. And one more thing is that error detection is more important than the correction, because without detecting it is not possible to correct. We need to send some extra redundant bits with the data for this purpose. This redundant bit are the extra data sent with the message from the sender side, and there is a relationship between the data and the redundancy bit. It's an extra bit. At the receiver end, they check the redundancy bit and the data. If the condition matches, then it is accepted, otherwise deleted. For example, if the sender is sending 53, very simply, for example, they use a formula, add the numbers, 5 plus 3, 8. Now message is 53, redundancy bit is 8. See this message, see this one. Message using the generator, redundancy is generated. Message and redundancy both transmitted to the receiver using a unreliable transmission, because transmission medium, no wonder it is a public transmission, so transmission medium is always unreliable. At the receiver side, receiver receive the information, he know what the formula used at the sender side to create the redundancy bit. So checker check the data and the redundancy bit. If the relationship is established and the redundancy is okay, then it sends the message to the upper layer. If there is some error, redundancy and the message unmatched, then it will discard the message. For today, this is all about the different type of errors. Hope this video is helpful for you people. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button to get the update about the more videos.